dropping this off with my buddy Mark. He's going to be fixing the clutch because it's adjusted horrible. It needs adjusted. It needs a new flywheel for the stage 3. As you can hear, it has a horrible exhaust leak. Horrible. Like, this is my first time legitly driving the car because first time I had a concussion still. I wasn't trying to drive it all the way back to Daytona. 2, I was so irritated with the clutch because it's engaging so high up and it's not like engaging closer to the floor that for me it's just fucking irritating. Excuse my language. So yeah, it's gonna get the clutch adjusted, new flywheel. My old exhaust is going on this car so that this doesn't happen. It's running rich. It kind of has a little bit of a misfire, so as soon as we're done with the transmission stuff and the exhaust, we're going to jump into the spark plugs and coil packs. Yes, I know I should have done them way sooner, but the car was sitting, so I didn't want to do it and then just have it sit even longer. But I just got it registered not that long ago. So yeah. Just went to go get photos as the RPF ones because So, welcome back to another YouTube video. I apologize that I haven't been able to get content out. It was so overwhelming with getting this car where it needed to be to actually get content, which is, you know, We had to get rid of the misfire, the exhaust leak, the yellow GT exhaust is on now, coil packs and spark plugs, and let me think here. The window motor we had to do because it didn't roll down when I bought it. We replaced the hood latch cable because it was broke.